Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well. I am Mohammad Umar Chima, BME 4th semester from Rifa International University. I am going to demonstrate a task given by our respectable teacher, Engineer Pratap Rai. This task is relevant to the course of Digital Logic Design. So the task is to design a digital system which can convert analog signal to its equivalent digital signal. The input to the system would be from analog device such as potentiometer, and output will be displayed on 7-segment display. Following equipment are required to design the circuit: power supply, potentiometer, clock voltage generator, analog to digital converter IC, AND gates, NOT gates, OR gates, XOR gates, BCD to 7-segment display decoder, 7-segment display. In the given table, Vin is the analog voltage controlled by the potentiometer. Note that we have proper output values up to the value of 9 on a single 7-segment display. After that, the output will be improper. 0 to 7 are the outputs of ADC IC. These outputs depend on the analog input voltage given to the ADC IC. On multisim, we can also verify it using the indicating probes. The BCD output is required corresponding to the analog input voltage. In simple words, it is decimal to BCD conversion. In order to convert that 8-bit binary outputs of the ADC IC to the BCD, we will use Karnaugh map. Therefore, we will consider these outputs ABCD separately. Following is the schematics of 8-bit binary to BCD conversion circuitry obtained from the table. Here the mentioned numbers indicates the output pins of ADC IC, and ABCD will be the inputs to the 7447 BCD to 7-segment decoder. If we understand these schematics, the simulation on multisim will be a piece of cake. Now I will show you the simulation on multisim. This is the overall circuit. From the Nyquist theorem, we note that sampling frequency should be equal or greater than 2 times of the maximum frequency of the signal to be sampled. So we will use the frequency of clock voltage generator as 10 kHz. We will use the slider of the potentiometer to control the input of analog voltage. The analog voltage is given by using a power source of 10 volts. Here is the ADC IC, and those are the outputs 0 to 7 I was talking about. This 8-bit binary to BCD conversion circuit is made by the schematics mentioned previously. Here A, B, C and D are the outputs, which will be the input to the BCD to 7 segment display decoder, and then this decoder will be connected to a 7-segment display. Now running this simulation, on the digital voltmeter we can see the analog voltage is 8 volts. So we will verify it on the 7-segment display. Here it is also 8 volts. This is the digitalized voltage, or you can say sampled voltage. We will change the voltage using the potentiometer. Here the analog voltage is 5 volts and the digitalized voltage is also 5 volts. So the circuit is working perfectly. Here the analog voltage is 3 volts and the digitalized voltage is also 3 volts. I hope you will find it informative. Thank you so much.